kanina sinabi mo, one of your regrets, kasi 2024 was supposed to be the year na pupunta sana ang nanay sa Siargao. And 2024 was supposed to be the year na kayo magpapakasal ni Philmar. Now looking back, and living in 2024, ano yung mga thoughts?
Ang daming... That was a bit heavy for me because I don't live every day of my life thinking my mom can die tomorrow.
Yeah.
Which I don't know if that was a mistake, di ba? Mali ba yun? Hindi ko alam na ganun yung pag-iisip ko na hindi ko pinagdadasal or pinapangarap na magiging mapuputol agad ang buhay ni nanay. Tapos ang dami kong mga inaasahang mga pangyayari sa taon na to na that involves her. Kasi after all, ang pagpapakasal namin ni Philmar, it's also mostly more for her. Kasi kami ni Philmar, kahit di kami magpakasal, asawa ko na yan. Asawa na namin ng isa't isa. Para sa akin, yun ang mahalaga. Pero alam ko na magiging masaya si nanay kapag ka nagpakasal. Hindi pwedeng parang kasal ko tas guest lang siya. No, di ba? She's the most, to me, she's my most important guest at that wedding, supposedly. And it's also a big deal for me, for her to come to Siargao kasi ang dami kong natutunan sa pagpunta ko sa Siargao at marami akong pinapangarap na pagka siya siguro nakarating din doon, gusto ko siya rin. Gusto ko siya rin, ma-realize niya rin to. Gusto ko siya rin, makita niya rin to. Magkaroon din siya ng pagkakataon na to make certain changes in herself, in her life, na baka kapag ka siya rin nagpunta ng Siargao, mangyari din yun.
Sinasabi naman niya, pagpatayo muna ako ng bahay ko.
Oo, yes!
And you wanted her to experience, drink beer sa Cloud9.
Oo.
Paglakad ka dyan sa dagat, you're free. You know, and you imagine that she would have enjoyed Siargao.
I knew she
And that is a regret na hindi mo binuhat ang nanay mo at lumipad sa Siargao.
Yeah. Yeah.
But the marriage, nakasal, would you still do it? Not this year, no? Parang
Yeah,
sa
hindi
pamahiin.
pwede yan.
Right.
Ayaw naman namin to do it this year, but yes, of course, we still are gonna get married. It's still in the plan, and it's something that we want din naman.
And
Yes,
you wanted to do it also for her.
Yeah.
Sabi mo nga.
Yung parang, I wanted to do it for her, pero syempre, that's not the only reason.
Correct.
You know, that's not the only reason.
Right.
You know, it's just a bit sad because that's a big milestone in anybody's life is to get married, and my dad is not around anymore. And Tita Sherry.
Right.
So, parang ang hirap para sa akin iisipin yun kasi ito yung mga importanteng tao sa buhay ko. Unti-unti na silang nawawala. Tapos akala ko nandyan lang sila. Akala ko may oras. Lahat naman siguro tayo yun yung iisipin, di ba? Hindi natin malalaman kung kailan matatapos.
And what is the lesson that you continue to learn?
Yeah.
Wala na si Tita Shiri, Dad is
Yeah.
not there, Mom is gone.
For me, the biggest lesson for me is to learn how to make the people you love feel it the way they want to. It's not just about the best way you know how. Also make an extra effort to make them feel it the way they want to feel love.